Hello, this is Solomon. I am here to explain about Kruskal's algorithm. So, Kruskal's algorithm is nothing but in a spanning tree, we need to find the minimum from minimum to the maximum number of way, and finally, uh, last two nodes should not be connected to join to each other, because when it is connected to each other it will become a spanning tree. So in this case it should not connect to each other. So this is a clear representation of the diagram. You can see all the edges, 5 edges, and all the different numbers. So from 0, if we take the case, 0 is having 1 and 2 as the nodes, root nodes. So for 0, from 0 to 1, and 0 to 2. But in case of 0 to 1 the number is 8, and from 0 to 2 the number is 2, sorry, 5. So that's why we are selecting the minimum number. So 0 to 2 will be taken, 0 to 2, and that will be 5. And in the next case, we'll consider 2. From 2 we are having 2 to 4, 2 to 3, and 2 to 1. But the minimum number we are having the numbers as 9, 15, and 10. So minimum number is 9. And in Kruskal's algorithm we need to arrange all the numbers in ascending order. So from small to big. So first 5 will come, second 7 will come, then 8, 9, 10, 11, and 15. So we need to write all the cases. So how we need to write is nothing but 0 to 2 5, and 3 to 4 is 7, and 0 to 1 is 8, and 1 to 2 is 9, 2 to 3 2 to 4 is 10, 1 to 3 is 11, and 3 to, sorry, 3 2 to 3 is 15. In this way we need to write. So first I have said 0 to 1 we have find out here 5, and in the next case from 3 to 4 we are considering as 7, because second minimum number in all the spanning tree is 7. That's why we are taking the 7 number. So 3 to 4 is joined. Next we need to find the next minimum number. So next minimum number is 8. So we are connecting 0 and 1. And next minimum number is 9. So 9. So we should not connect the number 9 as a 1 and 2, because when we connect 1 and 2 this will become the spanning tree. So this will become the tree. So 0 1 to 2, if we connect, this will be a tree. So we should not connect 9. Then we'll go to the second number. So second smallest, after this the smallest number 10. So we'll consider 10 and join the 10, because if we connect this nothing is gonna be joined and it cannot become a tree. So this is connected here. And next is 11. So when I'm gonna add 11 here, this will be a tree. So that's why 11 should not be joined, and even 15 it should not be joined, because this will become a tree. So this is the summary about a Kruskal's algorithm. So we'll see the code how this is executing. So I'm going to shortly tell you the code. So we need to include all the users using namespace std edge. So int script distance and weight. So string is graph int v and e. So string edge into edge. So string graph into certain graph into v and e. So graph is v is equals to v, and g is equals to, sorry, e is equals to e. In this case we can take a consider g of v and e, and in the next case we can consider g dash is equals to here we can consider g is equals to v comma e, and in the next case we can consider uh, g dash equal to v dash comma e dash. So we can take in this way. So graph is given to v equal to v, e is equals to e. Graph of edge, so we are taking edge into edge. So size of string edge. So return graph, here we are taking a subset int parent comma rank. So we are considering the parent comma rank in subset of subset dot parent is not equals to 1, subset of I of parents equals to find subset comma subset of I into parents. So return subset of I dot parents. So void union string of subset int of x comma y, int of x root equal to find subset of x and subset of y. And when we come to the case else if, so subset of rank is greater than subset of y root, and finally else subset of y root dot parents equal to x root. So x y root is equals to x root. In this case how it will be is like v should be equal to v and e should be less than e dash, and it will come to the formula like v of bar minus 1 is equals to g. So the number of, sorry, this will come to the Prince algorithm, I'm sorry. So yeah, when we consider this, so void Kruskal's lmst string of graph into graph. So v of I is equals to graph of v, string of edge result. So I equal to 0, I e equal to 0 and I equal to 0. So as I said, this v is equals to v and I is less than or less than uh, capital E. So subset of v dot parents equals to v, subset of rank is equal to 0, while e is less than v minus 1. Structure of edge, next edge equal to graph of edge, that is I plus plus, int of x equal to find subset next dot src, and in here distance. So this will give the value of weight. So we can check here, print the weight of this. So this will be taken, this will be taken, calculated here and given weight here. So return int of main v is equals to 4 is equals to 5. So here I'll tell you clearly. So first we are taking it 0 and 1 and the weight is 10. From 0 itself we are constructing, from 0 itself we are giving a connection to 1 and 2. The weight is 10 and 6, the minimum is 6 here. So 0 to 1 10, 0 to 2 6, 0 to 3 is 5, and 1 to 3 is 15, 2 to 3 is 4. So when we take in this case 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3. So from among all these three things, which is the smaller? So I can say easily this is smaller because 5 is smaller among 10, 6 and 5. So from 0 to 3 5 will be printed, and next in the case of 1 to 3 15 will be printed, 2 to 3 and 4 will be printed. So let's run the code and see. So as I said, maximum, yeah, maximum number is taken here. So 0 to 1 is maximum, so 10 is taken here, and 0 to 3 next case 0 to 3 5 is taken, and 2 to 3, yeah, 2 to 3 4 is taken. Actually if we construct this on the tabular form or a graphical diagram, that will be very easy to sort out. As I have told orally, it went somewhere a mistake. So if you are going to construct a tree diagram, it will be very easy to sort out. So I hope you understood Kruskal's algorithm. So that's all in this video. Thank you everyone.